farming using IDLS, inoculated deep litter system, where we are using IMO. In this system, there's no washing of the pen. The piglets are left to snooze and scramble for the different materials. Like here, as you can see, they are feeding on banana fiber and they're really enjoying it. They're also eating their feed, wet feed, which we have put on the feeder, and it's one of the best systems having. In this system we have incorporated also the poultry, where they are staying together and also feeding. The poultry helps in scrubbing the feces and also helping to turn the deep litter. If you like my YouTube channel, please subscribe for more natural farming methods.